This tutorial will show two things: how to create a photo album and share it on your tablet, and how to send a photo album to the print store. Let's get started. First, create an album to share. Okay, first find photos and click on it. This is what we were missing. You have to click on this little icon here in order to see all of your Google items. So you could go to photos, albums, or go directly to the print store. If you choose album, click album, then click create album. Give your album a title. Then click add photos. Now there's two ways you can select photos. If you click on the circle next to the date, it will select all of your photos. Or select individual photos, then click done, and your photos will go into your rehearsal folders and you can share them. Now to create your photo album, you're going to go to that little icon again and click print store. And of course the print store will open and select photo album. Click the blue button. And you're going to select your photos the same way. Click the circle for the date to select all the photos. But if you notice, there's 150 photos selected and you can only select 100. So you're going to have to go through and deselect 50 photos until it's down to 100. Click done, and now your book is made. You can replace the photos. You can crop them. You can make a title page. You can change the shape of the photos. You can delete them. You can make a collage on a page. You can add a title to each page. Now it's time to check out. Here are the prices, and if you notice, you get free shipping until December 16th. The end. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.